Hi there, today we are going to be reviewing fiction. Go ahead and say it with me. Fiction. Good job. What is fiction? We went over this yesterday and we've gone over this before, so it's a little review. What is fiction? All right, if you need more time to think about it, go ahead and pause the video, but let's talk about it if you do know. Fiction is writing that is fake or made up. So it's pretend, not real. We have 4 elements of fiction. We have characters, setting, plot, and problem and resolution. Problem and resolution go together because if there's a problem, something goes wrong, well then the resolution is how the problem is fixed. Whenever an author writes a fictional story, the author writes a story in order of events from beginning, middle, and end. Okay? And then the purpose for fictional stories are usually to entertain the audience, to entertain the reader. Okay? So let's go ahead and think back to yesterday's story, The Ninja Bread Man. The Ninja Bread Man. I'm going to give you just a little bit to think back to yesterday's read aloud. This was a really fun story. A different version of the Gingerbread Man. We have ninjas. All right, if you need more time, pause the video, just think back. But the Ninja Bread Man, we're going to go ahead and fill this out together. Fiction. Remember, fiction is writing that is fake or made up. So let's think back to the characters of the story. So we have here's a picture of the characters. We have Ninja Bear, Ninja Snake, Ninja Fox, Bear, Fox, Snake, and then Ninja Mouse. And we have Ninja Bread Man, and then we also have Sensei. Sensei is the teacher. Yes. Okay, so here are our characters: Ninja Bear, Ninja Snake, Ninja Fox, Ninja Mouse, Ninja Bread Man, Sensei. The main character in the story, the one that the story is mostly about, is Ninja Bread Man. So I made his name a little bit darker. Setting. Where was the setting? There's a whole bunch of places. So outside, nighttime, near a waterfall, in a forest, and outside. So setting, outside, nighttime, near a waterfall, forest. So where? I'm going to highlight the where's in yellow. Where, outside, near a waterfall. This is where. Forest, where. When is in green. So where's the story, is in yellow. Outside, near a waterfall, forest. When is in green. Nighttime. Okay? Just go ahead and... Okay, so plot. Plot is the beginning, middle, and end, the different events in the story that happen in order, okay? I'm not going to write this out because we don't have enough room in this little box, but let's talk about it. So in the beginning, what happens? Give you a moment to think about it. In the beginning. In the beginning, there is a sensei who teaches ninjas in a hidden dojo. See? So, and then the story talks about different ninjas, the Ninja Bear, Ninja Snake, Ninja Mouse, and Ninja Fox. And then, we're still in the beginning of the story, the sensei is going to make a Ninja Bread Man. And the Ninja Bread Man, the cookie, has mysterious powers. Okay? So that's the beginning. Now in the middle the ninja bread man comes to life. The cookie comes to life. So something is going wrong, right? Something that goes wrong. I don't think the ninja bread man was supposed to come to life because the sensei looks very surprised right there. So that happens, and then the ninja bread man goes up to each ninja, ninja bear, ninja snake, ninja mouse, and challenges them. And he defeats each ninja except for when he comes to the what? Which character? To the ninja fox. This is at the end now. The end. Ninja fox outsmarts the ninja bread man. He's like, come here, I can't hear you. The water from the waterfall is too loud. Come closer. And so the ninja bread man keeps coming closer and then closer. And then the fox eats the ninja bread man, right? So that's the beginning, middle, and end. That's the plot. Plot is the beginning, middle, and end, the different events. Okay, now the problem of the story is when something is going wrong. The problem, I'm going to give you a moment to think about it. What was the problem in the story? Okay, if you need more time, just pause the video. But the problem of the story was whenever the ninja bread man came to life and challenged all the ninjas. He was trying to defeat them all. So that was a problem because the sensei didn't create the ninja bread man so he could do that. Now, what was the solution? Remember, solution. Another word for solution is resolution. They mean the same thing. Give you a moment to think about this. All right, if you need more time, just pause the video. But, okay, the resolution was whenever the ninja fox defeated the ninja bread man. All right, so that's fiction. Remember, fiction is writing that is fake or made up. And that's the different elements of fiction. So, elements are character, setting, plot, problem, resolution. Okay, hope you enjoyed this little review over fiction.